Vanakkam, Namaste, hi. Krishna is here again. I am the business head at ANT Video Networks for the video conferencing division. So today we are going to unbox AVer VB350, which is the professional video conferencing soundbar. Let's quickly get into the video. So we have VB350 kept ready on the table. So let's open the box and see what are all the accessories available inside it. So let us open the box. On top of the box we have the wall mount. Okay. So that is wrapped perfectly with the paper. And then there is a protection on top of the video soundbar. We have the QR code. And we have the it's a drill paper. It's a wall mount drill paper. So that dimensions have been given in this paper. So according to this, this paper will help to do the wall mount of the VB350. So you can see the dimensions where you can put the holes and all into the wall. So that dimensions have been given here. So this will be pretty helpful for the person who can wall mount the device. So this can be kept here. So we have a box here. So let's see what is there inside in this box. I have a USB 3.1 cable, which is the type A to type B cable. This is available in this box. I think this is 3 meter cable. We have it in this box. And then we have a converter. So it is the type A to type C converter we have. So type A is female, type C is male. So we have this converter. And we have a tripod screw. There are 2 screws available here. If you can see, this is given to, if you want to fix it in any tripod, you can use this screw. And there is another small box which is available inside this box. I think this must be a remote control. So you have a remote control here. So this is the VB350's remote control. I think that's it in this box. So let me open the another box. So we have another box this side. So let's see what is there inside of this box. Okay, I think there is a 15 amp power cable is available here, and also there is a power adapter. So I have taken all the accessories outside the boxes, and you can see that is kept on the table. As we have taken all the accessories out, now only VB350 is there inside this box. So, okay, let me take out this device now. So, we have taken VB350 from the box. Now it is kept on the table. So let me just open this and see how VB350 looks. So if you see, this VB350 is beautifully wrapped with the paper, and I'm going to open it now, and let's take out the VB350 now. Beautiful, this device. I hope you can see the beautiful product VB350 which is there in my hand. So this is beautiful. So just keep it on the table. And I think they have given another paper on the camera, if you see. So it was written like remove cover before powering on. So I think you should remove this cover before powering on the device. That is the instruction has been given here. So I don't want to remove it right now. So this device is having two cameras. If you see, there are two cameras here. One is the primary, another one is the secondary camera. So we are done with the VB350 unboxing video. My next video will be on demo of VB350. I'll be showing with a lot of features practically so that you can understand more on VB350. So we are at the end of this video now. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to like and share this video. Please do comment. You can post your comments and feedback under the comment section. So thank you so much. I'll be seeing you soon. Bye bye.